Can you get TinyTask on Mac OS? Now, if you're really wanting to download or get the TinyTask on your Mac operating system, I have an explanation for you. Inside I have is the official forums of TinyTask for Mac. If we go ahead and browse down right here, we can go ahead and see that does TinyTask work on Mac? As we already discussed, TinyTask is a Windows-based application. And to be exact, it's a portable application that directly so you don't need to install on your machine. But in case you're looking for the TinyTask for Mac, then you need to look for an alternative as TinyMac doesn't work on Mac OS. Now unfortunately, TinyTask is only applicable or only downloadable on the Windows operating system such as mine right here. And if you have a Mac OS, unfortunately you cannot go ahead and get TinyTask. Instead, you should be looking for an alternative instead. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.